Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Hope you're all well. I am fine too. This video is super important if you have been dreaming of learning Korean but did not know where to begin. Guess what? You just took your first perfect step. This video might be short, but it could be the beginning of something amazing for you. Okay, today, let's learn 50 useful Korean words for daily life. Simple and powerful. Ready? Let's go. Now, chikam. Later, itaka. Today, onal. Tomorrow, neil. Yesterday, oje. Left, 왼쪽. Right, 오른쪽. Up, 위. Down, 아래. Excuse me, 여기요. It's okay, 괜찮아요. Good, 좋아요. I don't like it, 싫어요. I'm hungry, 배고파요. I'm thirsty, 목 말라요. How much is it? 얼마요? It's expensive, 비싸요. It's cheap, 싸요. Please give me, 주세요. Please give me the bill. 계산해 주세요. Bathroom, 화장실. Door, 문. Window, 창문. Fridge, 냉장고. Phone, 전화기. Photo, 사진. Family, 가족. Friend, 친구. I love you, 사랑해. Sorry, 미안해요. It's okay, 괜찮아요. I don't know, 몰라요. I know, 알아요. That's right, 맞아요. That's wrong, 틀려요. Quickly, 빨리. Slowly, 천천히. Quietly, 조용히. It's noisy, 시끄러워요. It's fun, 재미있어요. It's boring, 지루해요. Easy, 쉬워요. Difficult, 어려워요. Clean, 깨끗해요. Dirty, 더러워요. Hot, 덥다. Cold, 좁다. I'm happy, 행복해요. I'm sad, 슬퍼요. Well done. Start using these words in real life. Korean will feel easier every day. You made a smart choice by watching this. Every new word, every step forward brings you closer to your goal. Keep going. Your future self will thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And most importantly, believe in yourself. You are capable of so much more than you think because you can do everything that anyone else can do. It is not difficult for you at all. It is a little bit a matter of your thinking and understanding. Keep yourself positive. Annyeong. Bye bye.